In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default calendar in Google Calendar. Now, before we dive into the clicks, there's one important thing you need to know. Google Calendar doesn't actually have a dedicated default calendar setting that you can switch on and off. Instead, it automatically uses the last calendar you selected when creating an event. So what we're really doing here is guiding Google Calendar to treat the calendar you prefer as the one it should use by default from now on. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use. You should see your usual calendar view, whether that's by week, day, or month. Next, click anywhere on the calendar grid to start creating a new event. It doesn't matter which day or time you choose. This can be a test event just to set things up. A small event window will pop up where you can enter details. Type in a quick event title so that the event isn't empty. Something simple like test event is perfectly fine, since this is mainly to help Google remember your preferred calendar. Once you've added a title, look for the option that says more options in that event pop up and click on it. This will open the full event editor, where you can see all the settings related to the event. In the full event view, find the calendar drop-down. This is usually just below the event title, and it shows which calendar the event is currently being saved to. Click on that drop-down to see a list of all the calendars connected to your account. From that list, select the calendar you actually want Google to use as your default from now on. This might be your main personal calendar, a work calendar, or any other calendar you frequently use. After you've chosen the calendar, go ahead and click Save. That event is now stored on the calendar you selected, and because Google Calendar remembers the last calendar you used, it will treat that as your new default for future events. From this point on, whenever you create a new event, Google Calendar should automatically select that same calendar unless you manually change it again.